to do a basic sketch and extrude it, and I'm going to show you how to put text on here. The first thing you want to do though is click up here, go to Preferences, and under General, if you scroll down, you want to make sure this is on Tinkercad and then Free Orbit. So the first thing you're going to do is go up here under Solid, create a sketch. Then you're going to select which axis you want the design on. I usually always do the bottom one. And then we're going to do a circular design. So you want to go back up here and click Center Diameter Circle. Then when you click on here, you just click it, and then when you drag your mouse out, you'll see the diameter changes. For this model, it's going to be 50.8. So you can just type it in right there, and then you can either hit enter, or you can hit enter, you can click just to lock in your diameter, then hit finish sketch. So this is the sketch we just did. Now you want to click on this, go back up here under Solid, click Extrude, because we're going to extrude this circle, and I believe it's going to be 2.3 millimeters. Now we have our basic design. Now if you click the top right here, because you want it, we're gonna chamfer it. So once you click the top edge, you're gonna go up here under Fillet. You're gonna click that, and then right here is your radius. So you can start with like 2. If that's not enough, you can backspace, go more, and you can just see how much it changes the more you do it. But I think let's see, I think 5 might be okay. So now we got that. Next, oh, and to do all this, the way I'm moving this around, you just hold your right clicker button down on your mouse and drag it. Then up here, just to get a top surface, just click right here and it'll show the top. Now we're going to add text to this. So you're going to create sketch, and you're going to click on this top surface because that's where we're going to add it. And once you do that, you're going to go to create text. And this, I don't ever read it, I just hit OK. I don't know. Now you want to create your sketch box. So you're gonna start where you want it at. You're gonna click and drag, probably like right here. So now you have this sample text. And you can see it's off-centered. So you want to hit this to align it, and then you can align it even more like that. And then you can also come in here, change your font, and then if you want to change the height, like the size of it, you can go, and you'll see it's too big. So you want to play around with your settings and get it where you want it. But I think 10's perfect. We could probably even get away with 11. Actually, we'll just do 11. So when you get your text down, just hit OK. And you're going to hit Finish Sketch. Now you see that you have a text sketch. And what we're going to do with that is click it, and you're going to do the same thing here, extrude. And you don't want this sticking up very much because you kind of want it flat with the circular surface. So we're going to do like 0.10. That's probably too much. 0.5. You're going to hit join. And now you have text on here. So now what you can do, go to File, Export, type it, whatever. Just do circle. Right here is your F3D if you want to save the project as a Fusion. So you want to save it to your computer, you can go back in and open it and edit it even more. But if you want to save it to print it, you can do a 3MF, and it's going to go in the Troxic folder. That's fine. So export, then you can go to your files, documents, Troxy. Let's see, where can I load this? I'll load it in here. You just take it and drag it. And it's going to load funky, but you can right click, auto rotate. And then if you want to paint it, you can paint it. Go to fill, have edge detection on. Now if you just go click on everything, just like that. You can go in on the edges as well. Yeah, I think they're all good. That's basically it. And then another thing, like let's say if you type out this text, you can go in down here. This is your timeline. So you can change everything that you just did. If you right click right here, you can edit sketch, double click on this, and you can go back in here and edit. For the text, you want to make sure it's in these little quotes, because if it's not, the text disappears. So just make sure those are on there. And that's pretty much it.